3-jaw versus 4-jaw chuck. Which one is right for your parts? The lathe chuck, it's what holds your workpiece. But choosing the wrong one, that costs you time, precision, and money. So, how do you decide between a 3-jaw and a 4-jaw chuck for your CNC lathe? Let's break it down simply. The 3-jaw chuck is the workhorse for speed. Its 3 jaws move together, automatically centering the workpiece. It's perfect for cylindrical or hexagonal parts like rods and tubes. Advantage: setup is fast. Repeatability is high. You load the part, tighten, and go, ideal for high-volume production. The 4-jaw chuck gives you control. Each jaw moves independently, so you can hold square, rectangular, or completely irregular parts. It takes more skill and time to center the workpiece manually, but the payoff is extreme precision. You can achieve zero runout. It's the go-to choice for custom work, odd shapes, or when you need to machine off-center. Still unsure? Here's a simple rule of thumb. Choose the 3-jaw chuck if your parts are round or hexagonal and you need speed for repetitive jobs. Choose the 4-jaw chuck if your parts are square, irregular, or require ultra-high precision and custom setups. The right chuck makes all the difference, whether you need the speed of a 3-jaw or the versatility of a 4-jaw. WMTCNC has the right solution for your lathe. Not sure which one fits your parts? Talk to us. We'll help you make the right call.